Hey yo, what's cracking? Welcome back to Trading with Mondo, and this is Mondo. It's August 26th, Wednesday, and we're gonna go over what we always do. We're gonna go over the three sectors: SP1, the IWM, the QQQ, and some notes. Happy Wednesday. Hope everybody's having a good week. Midweek, 2 more days. We'll finish strong. So let's get to it. So for the first sector of the market, we're gonna look at the SPY, right? After they round up on August 3rd, with the first, second, third, fourth, they kind of pulled back after they couldn't do it no more. It was on kind of like a red pullback. Eventually, kind of hold it here, which is today. I see I got kind of over the MAs, and honestly, what we do every week, every time we review it, we're gonna go ahead and wait which way it goes. It's kind of like consolidating. We're just gonna leave it, watch the stocks. Once this runs, if it runs up or it runs down, the stocks follow, and that's where we make our money. So let's let that consolidate. So overall, pulled back, had a green day. Just closed above the open price, consolidated. We'll see if it holds or what it does, or if it holds support levels. And it closed at 765 with 95 cents. Our next one is going to be IWM. It's going to be for the 2000 Russell ETF. Same thing. Kind of just consolidated. Got over the MA. Didn't really do much. But it hold it. So that should say something. So overall, we got Green Day holding support and got over the MA on the 30-minute chart. We'll see if it holds it daily. It closed at 298 with 93 cents. So we'll see if the support holds with the MAs. Last but not least, we're gonna go ahead and go with QQQ. All right, so QQQ. On the notes, we got Green Day on the 30-minute chart. The price was able to get over the MAs. On the daily, the price is just under the moving averages. Closed at 711.37. And on the 30-minute, it was able to hold support, consolidate, get over the moving averages, which is these. And on the daily, it got under the moving averages. So that's not good. Because this moving average could push it down. So we'll see. If it holds, if it doesn't, if it gets over it, if it opens up. Nvidia had earnings today, and let me see if I can pull it up. Yeah, so I don't think I'll give anything out. This is what we got. Nvidia got earnings today. They reported after 5 p.m. after the market was closed. Total revenue reached a 96.2 billion, reporting a 106 jump year over year, well ahead of the 92.3 billion projected by analysis. Net income doubled to 59.69 billion. Data center revenue accounted for 92% of all sales, putting in 89 billion, a massive 117 increase from the previous year. So yeah, that means that the market should have a good day, but doesn't really matter. So that shit kind of influence the market. We'll see what that does. And then we got the Fed talking tomorrow. Hold on. We got the Feds talking tomorrow. Fed talk. And if my mic, or you guys can hear the AC, I'm sorry, it's just be hella hot in my apartment. Fed interest rate. So, all right. So we're in what, August, July, September. Yeah, I don't know. I guess the Fed's supposed to talk Thursday, but I can't really find anything on the online for it. But when is the next? Where? When is the next meeting? Yeah, I don't even think that anything for us. So I don't even think they do this month. They have January, March, April, June, July, September, October, and December. So I don't think that's none of the months that we're in. All right. So yeah, I mean, we'll see. I'll check us know next video. But for the most part, it's in the video. And then, I mean, there's other stocks having earnings too, but that was the most important one. Let's go ahead and review these 14 that we got. First one we got, it's SpaceX. Honestly, this looks pretty solid. If the market holds, I could probably get in here, probably get out at like 145. Second stop, 150. Next one we got KOPN. This looks pretty promising. If this area holds, it could shoot back up to 550. It needs to get over the moving average for it to try to shoot 550, but not bad. So enter. Let's go. Let's put long. Enter 4.73, and then target 550, and then stop. We will 4.50. Damn, I have a quarter. What is that? 0.1. How bad? Let's go. So, if we were playing this, if the market holds and if this holds, we're gonna go ahead and try to get in it at 473, made 475, targets at 550, and our stop loss would be at 450. From a total of 3-1. I mean 1-3. I mean 3-1, yeah. So next one we got, it's RDW. RDW looks pretty solid as well too. It just kind of needs to get over the moving averages for us to even think about getting in. But if it does get in it, we try to get around 12, try to grab a $2 gap to 14. But it really just depends what the market does. But for the meantime, we won't enter this. But this is nice. It's been on a crazy run since August. The month's almost over. Yesterday, which it was Monday, it held it. It held its support, bounced back up to 12.25 from 11. Now it's kind of just holding. This is a nice little area. And try to shoot it, especially now I just got some value. Yeah, maybe getting it at 12.25. Target would be 14.50. And then our target would be around 11.50. It's not oversold. It's not overbought. It's actually oversold. So it might go up. Got more chance of going up. That's pretty cool. It's something I did get in it, so we'll go ahead and get in it. So we'll have only what we say, enter 12.15, and then target at 14.50, and then stop. Won't be a 11.50. What is that? Enter 75. Oh shit, man. Honestly, much. Fine, what is it? 25. That's 50 cents. Yeah, there you go. Let's fucking go. We're gonna save that one. Next one's gonna be any AINY. It's a cool solid one. I like that. I got some support. I mean, it got a bunch of I like this that I got a bunch of volume that came in, kind of just consolidated down, trickled down, and now it's kind of getting its put together. Once it gets over the moving averages, we probably could try to run it. Maybe getting it at 275, try to run it for 350. But this is something I'm definitely watching. But it's probably not really ready. Let's go ahead and go to the next one. It's gonna be Asian. I'm just buying this as ASAN, Asian. So ASAN. I've seen incorporated. I like how it kind of just hit rock bottom, came back up. Now it's getting over the moving averages. Some volume came up. And this wouldn't be that bad if the market does hold and this one just continue to go up. You'll probably watch for it to get over the moving average of the 30. Maybe getting it at 975 for 10.50, and our stock could be at 925. What is that? 50 cents. Yeah, man, that'd be kind of cool. So we'll go ahead and. No, actually, our stock will be 11. If long, enter, and we're gonna enter at 9.5, and our target is 11, and our stop is 9 point. So that's what, 10, 11 to $2.25, and we're risking 50 cents. No, 25 cents. We'll make it a little bit stop. There you go. Now it loosens stop. That way, just in case we don't want to get stopped out. So the answer is if the market holds. That's our game plan. Next one is gonna be BFLY. BFLY. I like how there's volume coming in for a couple of months. Nothing crazy selling, so that's cool. I'll just wait for it to get over the moving average. Maybe try to shoot it for 9. For 10. So getting in it on 925. Stop would be at 875. Target 10, 1025. Next one we got is BLMN. Solid too. Got some nice little volume right here. This one that kind of sold a bunch, and then it kind of just got bought back. Holding pretty nicely. It's above the moving averages. If the market holds, this could run back to 1250, so it wouldn't be that bad. Enter 11.50. Target 1250. And stop will be 10.55. Ooh, it's kind of like right there too. Yeah, that'll be there. I'm trying to get in here. If it holds, running for here and get out. Trying to get that 50. Trying to get that 50. Next one we got CADL. CADL. Nice looking volume for the last couple of months. Big red one though, but kind of even just out. Kind of just started blossoming, and now it's kind of just tipping at 14. I feel like if it breaks 14, we could try and get in it for 15. But the only thing that worries me is this pullback. If the market has a bad day, this could just pull back, and we'd be entered at 14. I mean, it's happened to me before too, so. Well, we just wait. We'll sure the market goes, and if it goes up, try to run it. But yeah, man. Next one we're gonna do is help. HELP. Same thing with the other one. I like the volume coming in. I like that it's been on the move, but it's kind of hit the top of the iceberg. I don't want it to get caught with a flying. I don't want to be catching flying knives, right? So we're just gonna see if it breaks this 14 area or it breaks down and truly hold, depending on the way the market reacts. +2, I would want to see like the moving average get a little bit more closer to support. Because what if this pulls back? Next one we got HNST. This one's textbook solid, gapped up. Or did the gap when it got to the moving average, and it just took off back to the same location. I wouldn't want to get in it anymore if it breaks. I mean, I'd get in at 6 maybe. Our stop would be down here. I get 650, but I think it comes back down. I think it hits the top and it kind of trickles back down and then it goes back again. But you never know. So we'll see what happens. Either way, we'll play. So next one we got SBT. And it's not Black Entertainment Television. I'm just playing. Ran up on those good days the market had. That's kind of at resistance. Would it hold or would it not hold? It had a nice little build up on the previous days from 19, 20, 21, 24, 25, and 26. It's kind of just hitting the weather. Honestly, this is nice though. The way I played it, if we're gonna go on a long run, I'd enter at 8.30 and target would be 10.50. 50. And then minus the top would literally just be $8. It's just like 30 cents. I'm 30 cents away. You're trying to shoot it for that long. Yeah, this is perfect. You know, 2 points. Boom. 25 cents. Yeah. Perfect. It's a nice one. I liked a couple of these. This one's going in and have a stop right there. The important thing about this, and the cool thing about this, that the moving averages are right under it, so you can have a stop right under this right here, right? Like 810 or whatever. But it's like, you know that if it breaks this, then it's probably gonna eat shit. So, just letting you know. Next one we're gonna do is gonna be SGMT, and I don't know what the fuck this company does. But it doesn't fucking matter. What we got here? Volume consolidated. That shit was nice. What we got here? 30 minutes. Kind of hitting support. Support is gonna be right here, right? We'll see how it reacts to it. It did hold moving average, so it kind of bounced back up. We'll see if it holds, and we'll see if it consolidates around this little area. But for the most part, I would have gotten it yesterday or earlier today. Or felt even the third, that would have been nice right here. Ooh. But we didn't. So hold it, and now it's pushing to the high. We'll see if it holds or if it doesn't hold, depending on the market. Last but not least, we got XHLD, and this is 10 holdings. It had a crazy month, probably what, starting the 6, and it took off from 2 all the way to 8. Right here, that's really good volume. Daily showing on the 30-minute chart. Kind of just build its way up slowly but surely, eventually making this way up to the highest high. Now it's at 850. If it literally breaks this, bro, and it stays at 825, we could literally run this shit to 10 easy. So we're gonna go ahead and long this, right? If the market holds, let's go ahead and hold. Even if the market doesn't hold, you can just flip these numbers around and make it like negative numbers. Like if it doesn't hold, right, enter at 850, 825, and then short it to like 650, and then stop would be at 9. You know, so it's like the same thing. It's just the same process as longing it, but when you're shorting it, you just do the opposite. So I'll go ahead and enter at honestly, bro, not 50, fuck it. And then target is gonna be, honestly, man, 10. That seems so out of reach. And then stop. And our stop is gonna go ahead and be shit literally under what? 8. 850, 8, 9, 10, 2. So yeah, that's 105. Yeah, that's odd. I'm risking $1 to make $5, so that's not bad. So let's go ahead and and this is what we got. We got these little ones right here. We got 6. Oh, we got 8 stocks that we took real notes on. Talk about how we're gonna get in, how I would long it. Also this one. This was cool too. SBT. Everything watching if it holds. Last but not least, we got XHLD, and that's the game plan. You know, enter 850, target 10, stop at 8. So yeah, man, thank you, and honestly, that's it for tonight's video. I don't know how long that was, 25 minutes, it's kind of average. I was trying to make it a little quicker, but I'm just glad we got through it. And we reviewed the market, XPW1, SPW, IWM, the Q. We reviewed 14 stock, and then we picked our 8 best to invest in. Not a financial advisor, just a motherfucker that likes this game, and hopefully changes his life with it. So thank you for watching, and happy trading. Hopefully I'll make some money. Bye-bye.